Hi all, my name is Ganesh. I am Internet Indian. Hi all, my name is Ganesh. I am Internet Indian Servers Company, and I have did a final project as part of my internship. And my project name is image classification. And now I will share the screen and show my code to all of you. Here, my project number is 121. And here we can see that I have imported libraries like skimage and numpy and pandas we already have know, and matplotlib to plot the graphs. And here I have used a gray function to show the image in gray color. And here also I have uh, plotted the image of astronaut by using matplotlib. And here I have used skimage and matplotlib, and I have read some image, and this is the image file, and this is the I have used here segmentation and filters and color for drawing the color of the image, and segmentation and filters I have applied here. And the image should be contain columns and rows, and I have applied gray color for it. And the image with CMap I have given color of gray. And this is the text I have taken, and image I have printed here. This is the histogram plot where I have taken bins and range with I have this. I have also taken text to travel for plotting the graph. And this is the threshold where filters will be applied, and the block and size of offset will be shown here, and the image I have displayed here. From for using SK image, I have imported another image, and I have read here. And this is the output of the image. I have applied some image gray color to it, and I have applied some circle points with using resolution, center, and radius. And I have calculated the radiance of it by using a line space and the resolution. I have taken also the center and the radius. There are the polar coordinates, and I have written a some array which will be drawn as a circle points around the face of the image. Here you see I have plotted the points here, and this is the active counter which will be counted again the around the image, around the points of the plot where I have given here snake ax dot plot. Also I have given some shape of the gray image. Here I have given data type d type, and there's the image label points where indices and points are given, and I have showed here image labels which are drawn again the circle parameter. And there are the segmented images where I have taken random walker, and I have given some values, and where alpha value and a segmented value I have taken, and this is the gray color of the image. And here I have used the random walker function for displaying the image where the parameters are image labels and beta I have taken, and I have plotted the image. I have sliced the images where segmentations I have taken 155, and the image color will be in gray color, and the kind I have taken value of average value. This is the pencil of the image I have plotted here, and the unique value of the size of the image is 3368. And this is the colored image where I have taken lens value and the kind value as average, and I have colored it with color. And I have used Keras functions for importing the sequential, dense, dropout, flatten, normalization, and activation And there the convolution models and artificial neural networks of the models. Here I have used import corn DAV and max pooling EV. Here I have imported max norm also. By using all these libraries or keras functions, we can do function. We can do. I, I have loaded the X train, Y train. These are the four types where I can load the data. Here I have normalized the inputs between 0 to 155, and these are the util values for encoding the outputs. Yeah, and the model architecture by using model equal to sequential, and I have used the model.add, and I have used a convd function for it, and I have used padding, and here's the activation, and we used activation and padding and dropout function and batch normalization. They are the all are the adding functions only. And I have used model.add activation, and I have passed some parameters. These are all the I have already said. Condi, activation and dropout normalization techniques. These are the model architecture techniques, and these are the epochs I have given here 25, and optimizer as Adam. Here the model summary will tell us about the all the parameters I have taken: normalization, condi, activation, max, pooling, dropout, and flatten techniques, dense, and the total params that I have participated here, and then the trainable params and non-trainable params. I have also used the TensorFlow techniques here, and I have imported keras, and I have taken sequential functions. And these are the dataset I have taken: flower photos, where I have imported flower images, and I have displayed here by using image count, the image count of the image. And I used here roses. I have plotted the image, and I used a open function, and I have passed parameter of 1. And here are the tulips, where I have given a string value of 0. Here I have displayed the image of tulips, and this is the tulips where I have given image function 1. The batch size and image width height I have initialized, and I have given some pre-processing techniques where the image dataset from directory and the validation split is equal to 0.2, and the subset training. There are the some validation and training techniques where we can set the image height and image width and the batch size. These are the image pre-processing techniques. They are the data types. They are the image files where the daisy, dandelion, roses, sunflowers, and there are different flower types where we can plot the all the images by using matplotlib. And the image I have given some image in, and I have given used subplot and numpy for plotting these images. I have also given batch shape where I can detect the shape of the images. Yeah. And I have given training and validation catchy where the buffer size I have taken as autumn. And this is the model sequential techniques where I already said ANN techniques we can use, where the padding and activation will be parameters. And then we can compile by using keras and pre-processing techniques. This is the model summary where all the models will be taken, and parameters of all the ANN models. And this is the epochs where I have given of size 10. This is the training and validation of the epochs. This is the accuracy and value loss and value accuracy, where we can see loss and accuracy value. The accuracy history is I have plotted by using a subplot, and epochs range I have given. I have labeled it by using subplot. I have drawn the two graphs between accuracy and the loss, where the training and validation accuracy will increase here, where the and where the training and validation loss will decrease here. We can see here in the graphs. And I have used some augmentation techniques and pre-processing techniques, and I have plotted the some images here and randomization. Here also we have augmented the images. See here, augmented images, and I have used some sequential functions here. This is for another dataset I have imported, and these are the epochs of 15 I have taken, and these are the accuracy and validation loss graphs. Here the pre-processing techniques and keras I have imported, and I have given sunflower dataset here. And this is the our project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.